You join me in the wonderful town of Methven, and I'll tell you what, you can almost see the mountains in the background there. Let's have a look at those bad boys. Probably can't zoom in far enough on this thing. Can't zoom in at all, it would seem. But either way, they're over there. That actually looks beautiful. Very, very nice. Oh, that's where we want to be. Actually looks stunning. But yeah, we're gonna wander around Methven. We're here for like 2 months before the season starts, which is ridiculously early. But we've applied for some jobs. We're going to look around the town today, maybe go into some places, see what we can see what we can do, because I can't sit still for 2 months. I go stir crazy. And we might see if we can get a bike. Bike would be good. So yeah, stuff to do, things to get. But yeah, we just need some little source of income just to keep us going. Or we can just eat apples off the floor. No, cool. Anyway, let's see what this town has to offer. It just looks way more like the Alps. Because it's like not tree lined, it does just look a bit bigger, you know. Well, there's 50 centimeters of snow up there. Apparently it's all going to melt before the season starts, but it's a promising sign, I guess. Got a gym, some sort of cafe, flower shop, one of our local supermarkets, and then the other one is just over there. So we don't have to walk too far to get to the town. What's going on here? There's an old butcher's. Oh, makes sense. The infamous brown pub and the infamous blue pub. The liquor store. Dubliners Irish pub. That sounded somewhat promising. I went into the board shop just to have a look at, see if I could order my Capita board for, I guess, next season or this season. And they were like, oh yeah, cool. Anyway, I showed them some stuff, and they're like, blah, 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 blah. And they're like, oh yeah, we're looking for someone that can, like, you know, help out in shop, and we've got a guy that's not starting till June. I was like, oh well, I could fill that gap, and maybe I can do from now till June, and then the other guy can take over. And they're on about doing like rental boards and stuff, like testing them out. And I was like, I can do that, easy peasy. Record it, showed them the YouTube stuff. So interesting, could be good. I mean, that would be the ideal job, I guess. Working in a board shop could be kind of cool. So it's just now the far end of town. It's very centralized, you know. Everything is all in one place. So yeah, I mean, the board shop would be absolutely perfect. It doesn't even matter what they're paying. Just something to do, somewhere to be, and it's still sort of snowboarding scheme related. It must be one of the lodges for Mount Hart, and then we've got the Methven Library Museum. It's cool. Got a golf club. Got some very picturesque views here. I mean, look at that. That's just absolutely awesome. Can we zoom in there? Now, Mount Hart is somewhere over there. I'm not quite sure where. But somewhere in that location. So basically, while I'm waiting for people to reply back to me and email back to me, I've got like, what, 4 leads, I guess, on the job. I thought there's a Methven golf club, and I thought I'd go and play around the golf. So we're going to find out the price and stuff, because I'm going to need to like rent clubs and whatnot. So we're going to have a look at that, and then tomorrow, I guess we'll play around the golf and see if I can still hit the ball. Play a nice little game of whack fuck. Cool. Well, we are booked on to play golf tomorrow at 11 o'clock with rental clubs and everything all sorted. So we'll see if I record it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, interesting stuff. Give me something to do. Waste a day. But yeah, all good.